Hello students, welcome to Little Scholars Public School, Nanded. Previous video we focus on placement of commas and periods to write a number's name and numerals. Now I am going to teach you face value and place value. The face value of a digit is the digit itself. At whatever place it may be, it is unchangeable and definite. Place value. A number is formed by grouping digit. Each digit has a value depending on its place is called place value of the digit. Place value changes according to the digit place. For example, let's take a number. What is the face value of 3? The face value of digit is the digit itself. So, the face value of 3 is 3. What is the place value of 3? Each digit has a value depending on its place. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 3 is in thousand place. The place value of 3 is 3 multiplied by 1000 equal to 3000. Indian place value system. In this system, the place values are ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, arab, 10 arab. These are the smallest digit number. Ones is the smallest one digit number. Tens is the smallest two digit number. 100 is the smallest 3 digit number. 1000 is the smallest 4 digit number. 10,000 is the smallest 5 digit number. Lakh is the smallest 6 digit number. 10 lakh is the smallest 7 digit number. Crore is the smallest 8 digit number. 10 crore is a 9 digit number. Arab is a smallest 10 digit number and 10 Arab is the smallest 11 digit number. These are the smallest digit number. So these places are permanent. These places are not changed, but digits are changed. When I will write a number in 10,000 place. Which digit is this? 8. 8 is in 10,000 place. The place value of 8 is 8 multiplied by 10,000. So equal to 80,000. So digits are digit we put in which place, that is the place value. Find the place value and face value of colorful digit. The first example, the colorful digit is 3. The face value of 3 is 3. And the place value of 3 is in ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh place. 3 multiplied by 1 lakh equal to 3 lakh. And face value of 3 is 3. The face value of the digit is the digit itself. Second example, the face value of 5 is 5. The face value of the digit is the digit itself. What is the place value of 5? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 5 is in crore place. So 5 multiplied by 1 crore equal to 5 crore. The place value of 5 is 5 crore. Third example, the colorful digit is 0. The face value of 0 is 0. And the place value of 0, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 0 multiplied by 10 lakh equal to 0. Because 0 is multiplied by any number, answer is 0. Example number 4. Colorful digit is 2. The face value of 2 is 2. And the place value of 2, 2 is in 1's place. So 2 multiplied by 1 equal to 2. Look at this fourth example. The face value is also 2 and place value is 2. Both the numbers are same. Both the digits are same. Because 2 is in which place? 1's place. Any number is coming in 1's place, the face value and place value is same. Now students, the same digit can have different place value. Listen and look at this example. This is the 7-digit greatest number. First example is the colorful digit is 9, red color it is, and this 9, all 9 digits, the face value of the 9 digit is 9, means all examples the face value is same, 9. But in place value, see first example 1, the 9 is in which place? 1's place. The place value of 9 is 9 multiplied by 1 equal to 9. In second example, 9 is in 10's place. The place value of 9 is 9 multiplied by 10 equal to 90. Third example, 9 is in 100 place. The place value of 9 is 9 multiplied by 100 equal to 900. 9 is in 1000 place. So 9 multiplied by 1000 equal to 9000. The fifth example, 9 is in 10,000 place. 9 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 90,000. The place value of 9 is 90,000. The sixth example, the place value of 9 is lakh place. 9 multiplied by 1 lakh is equal to 9 lakh. 7 example, the colorful digit 9 is a 10 lakh place. So 9 multiplied by 10 lakh is equal to 90 lakh. So students, the same digit have a different place value. Now next topic is expanded form. When we write a number as a sum of place value of each digit for the number is said to be a expanded form. And standard form, when we write a number using digit, the number is said to be in a standard form. The number is said to be in a standard form. Now look at this example, the place value of each digit. And this number I wrote in a place value chart. Students, you write the numbers in place value chart. So we find the place value. It is very easy to find the place value. Starting from right side, 1 is in 1's place, 1 multiplied by 1 equal to 1. 0 is in 10's place, 0 multiplied by 10 is equal to 0. 2 is in 100 place, 2 multiplied by 100 equal to 200. 8 is in 1000 place. 8 multiplied by 1000 equal to 8000. 9 is in 10,000 place. 9 multiplied by 10,000 equal to 90,000. 6 is in lakh place. 6 multiplied by 1 lakh equal to 6 lakh. 5 is in 10 lakh place. 5 multiplied by 10 lakh equal to 50 lakh. 8 in crore place. 8 multiplied by 1 crore equal to 8 crore. 3 in 10 crore place. 3 multiplied by 10 crore equal to 30 crore. This type we can solve the place value of each digit. It is very easy to solve. Now again one example I give you expanded form. So our example is 98765432 and this number I wrote in a place value chart. Students, you will write a number in a place value chart. To solve the expanded form, it is very easy method. So, listen. 9 is in 10 crore place. So, 9 multiplied by 10 crore plus 8 in crore place. 8 multiplied by 10 crore plus 7 is in 10 lakh place. 7 multiplied by 10 lakh. 6 is in lakh place plus 6 multiplied by 1 lakh. 5 is in 10,000 place. So plus 5 10,000. 4 is in 1000 place. 4 multiplied by 1000. 3 is in 100 place. 3 multiplied by 100. 2 is in tens place. 2 multiplied by 10 plus 2 is in ones place. So 2 multiplied by 1. So this type you solve the expanded form. First we write the digit and then you write the place. And don't multiply the numbers as it is, you write in expanded form. Digit and their place. Digit and its place. Now standard form. Look at this example. Students, first when we solve the standard form, first you count the places. We write first the place of its digit. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. We can find the place of 8 digit. The place of 8 digit is 10 crore. Then ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. The 7 place is crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 6 is in 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 0 is in lakh place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 5 is in 10,000 place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 4 is in 1000 place. Ones, tens, 100. 3 is in 100 place. Ones, tens. 1 is tens place. Ones, 2 is in ones place. First we find out the place of each digit and you draw a place value chart and put the digit in their places. 8. 8 is in which place? 10 crore place. So you write 8 is in 10 crore place. 7. crore place. 6 10 lakh place. 0 lakh place. 5 is in 10,000 place. 4 is in 1000 place. 3 is in 100 place. 1 is in tens place. 2 is in ones place. So we get the standard form 87 crore 60 lakh 54,312. So we find first the place of its digit, and you draw a place value chart and put the digit into their places. So students, today what we learn? Face value and place value. Face value, the face value of the digit is the digit itself, and place value, the position of the digit. Expanded form, sum of the place value of each digit. And standard form, when we write the number using digit, the number is said to be in standard form. Students, I hope you understand this topic. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.